which is a regenerative furnace. A. Coke oven heating chamber. B. Open hearth furnace. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following accentuates clinker-ing troubles on furnace grate burning coal? A. Low reactivity of carbonized residue containing high proportion of iron sulfur. B. Low forced draft fuel bed temperature. C. Thick fire bed and preheated primary air. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. The electric furnace in which heat is produced by a combination of induced current and skin effect is called furnace. A. Arc. B. Resistance. C. Low frequency induction. D. High frequency induction. The correct answer is high frequency induction. Ingress of cold air in the furnaces through cracks, charging doors, openings, etc. Air reduces the flue gas temperature and makes the furnace atmosphere oxidizing. B. Increases the load on the induced draft fan. C. Reduces the furnace draught. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Use of pulverized coal in boilers provides A. Higher calorific value. B. Better combustion. C. Smokeless burning. D. Less erosion on furnace wall. The correct answer is better combustion. In which of the waste heat recovery equipment the flow of flue gas and air is alternately reversed after a fixed interval of time? A. Recuperator. B. Regenerator. C. Waste heat boiler. D. None of these. The correct answer is regenerator. An electric furnace producing heat by means of an electric arc struck between each of 3 electrodes and the charge is called furnace. A. Resistance. B. Arc. C. Low frequency induction. D. None of these. The correct answer is arc. Turn-down ratio of a burner gives an idea of the in the furnace. A. Range of fuel firing rates. B. Volume of the combustion chamber. C. Maximum heat input rate only. D. Minimum heat input rate only. The correct answer is range of fuel firing rates. In low or standard frequency induction furnace, heat is produced by the A. Combination of induced current and skin effect. B. Induction and resistance. C. Current flow through a heating element. D. None of these. The correct answer is induction and resistance. Which furnace employs natural draft? A. Coke oven. B. Boiler. C. Rotary kilns. D. LD converter. The correct answer is Coke oven. Test specimen for determination of refractoriness under load. RUL of a refractory is heated in A. Furnace employing neutral atmosphere. B. Carbon resistance furnace. C. Reducing atmosphere. D. Furnace employing negative pressure. The correct answer is carbon resistance furnace. Regenerators compared to the recuperators for the same duty. A. Occupy more space. B. Are less costly. C. Are of smaller size. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is occupy more space. Regenerators are used for waste heat recovery in A. Byproduct coke ovens. B. Beehive coke oven. C. Blast furnace stoves. D. Soaking pits. The correct answer is byproduct coke ovens. Which of the following furnaces will have maximum thermal efficiency? A. Soaking pits. B. Walking beam reheating furnace. C. Boiler furnace. D. Rotary kilns. The correct answer is boiler furnace. Heat transfer takes place through a liquid medium surrounding the submerged material under heating in case of an A. Blast furnace. B. Steam boiler. C. Salt bath furnace. D. Annealing furnace. The correct answer is salt bath furnace. The heating capacity of muffle furnace depends on the A. Surface area emissivity of the stock. B. Properties of the muffle wall temperature area emissivity. C. Both A, B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A, B. Which of the following is a batch furnace? A. Cupola. B. Reheating furnace. C. Glass tank furnace. D. None of these. The correct answer is cupola. In a heating process, a heat flow diagram in which the quantities of heat in the various items of a heat balance are represented by the width of a band is called the A. Ostwald chart. B. Cox chart. C. Sunkel diagram. D. None of these. The correct answer is Sunkel diagram. Maximum thermal efficiency of boiler may be about %. A. 10. B. 25. C. 65. D. 90. The correct answer is 90. Rotary kilns are used in the A. Calcination of limestone dolomite. B. Cement manufacture. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor 6. The correct answer is both A and B. The method of Lobo and Evans is concerned with the calculation of the A. Heat absorption in radiant section of a furnace. B. Heat transfer by forced convection in a reboiler. C. Heat transfer in vacuum condensers. D. Mass transfer coefficient. The correct answer is heat absorption in radiant section of a furnace. Reverberatory furnace is used for A. Roasting reduction of ores. B. Annealing steel coil. C. Heating air. D. Steel melting. The correct answer is roasting reduction of ores. Overall thermal efficiency of a lumpy coal-fired suitably designed heating furnace if operated maintained properly may be about %. A. 10-15. B. 25-30. C. 45-50. D. 65-70. The correct answer is 25-30. In furnaces operating at very high temperature, say 1250 C, e.g. soaking pit, the maximum heat transfer takes place by A. Conduction. B. Convection. C. Radiation. D. Cannot be predicted. The correct answer is radiation. Which of the following is a directly fired intermittent furnace? A. Walking beam reheating furnace. B. Reverberatory furnace. C. Tower furnace. D. Tunnel kiln. The correct answer is reverberatory furnace. Dampers are located A. Before the I.D fan. B. After the ID fan. C. Near the top of the chimney. D. Anywhere after the ID fan. The correct answer is before the I.D fan. Protective gas used in the annealing furnace for steel coil comprises of A. 95N25H2. B. 5H29N2. C. 100 Co. D. 100H2. The correct answer is 95N25H2. Out of the following fuels used in a furnace exhausting flue gas at a temperature of 600 C, the percentage stack loss will be maximum in case of complete combustion of A. Furnace oil with air. B. Furnace oil with oxygen. C. Blast furnace gas with air. D. Blast furnace gas with oxygen. The correct answer is blast furnace gas with air. Scaling of furnace stock is reduced by inflow gas. A. Co. B. H2. C. High CO2. D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Furnace is not an electric furnace. A. Arc. B. Induction. C. Pot. D. Resistance. The correct answer is pot. Forced recirculation of furnace gases is practiced A. To increase heat transfer by convection. B. To ensure uniform temperature. C. In furnaces operating below 750 C. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Design of waste heat boiler for recovery of waste heat from furnace gases depends upon the A. Quantity temperature of waste gas. B. Dust concentration nature of dust in waste gas. C. Corrosive nature of the waste gas. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is dust concentration nature of dust in waste gas. Air filtration in a furnace. A. Reduces its thermal efficiency. B. Is indicated by flame sting out. C. Increases the flue gas temperature. D. None of these. The correct answer is reduces its thermal efficiency. Which of the following is the most important deterrent to an extended use of pulverized coal in boiler firing? A. Ash disposal problem. B. Excessive fly ash discharge from the stack. C. Higher power consumption in its transportation. D. Erosion of induced draft fan blades. The correct answer is ash disposal problem. Which of the following is a periodic furnace? A. Tunnel kiln. B. Rotary kiln. C. Soaking pit. D. Reheating furnace. The correct answer is soaking pit. Regenerators are normally provided in the A. Glass melting furnace. B. Open hearth furnace. C. Byproduct coke ovens. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Metallic recuperators are not used for waste heat recovery if the hot flue gas temperature is above C because corrosion prevails at higher temperatures. A. 350. B. 750. C. 1050. D. 1250. The correct answer is 750. Furnace pressure is normally controlled by regulating the A. Air pressure. B. Fuel gas pressure. C. Speed of ID fan. D. Damper. The correct answer is damper. An example of indirectly heated furnace is the A. Soaking pit. B. Muffle furnace. C. Reheating furnace. D. None of these. The correct answer is muffle furnace. Specific heating capacity of a furnace is expressed as A. Weight heated HR. B. Weight heated furnace volume. C. Weight heated HR furnace volume. D. None of these. The correct answer is weight heated HR furnace volume. The main function of a muffle in the muffle furnace is to A. Protect the charge from the effects of the products of combustion. B. Smooth out temperature inequalities on the combustion side of the muffle wall. C. Both A, B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A, B. Flue gas outlet temperature from the chimney of any furnace should be ideally about C. A. 50. B. 100. C. 150. D. 250. The correct answer is 150. Very high pressure boilers are usually boilers. A. Fire tube. B. Water tube. C. Waste heat. D. Natural circulation. The correct answer is natural circulation. Heat transfer rate to the charge stock in a furnace does not depend upon the A. Type of fuels with solid, liquid or gaseous. B. Flue gas temperature. C. Emissivity of refractory walls. D. Initial temperature of the charged stock. The correct answer is type of fuels with solid, liquid or gaseous. Heat balance of furnace provides means of determining the A. Thermal efficiency of the process. B. Sources of heat losses. C. Scope of reduction of heat losses. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Thermal efficiency of furnaces can be improved by A. Waste heat recovery from flue gas. B. Minimizing heat losses from furnace walls. C. Maintaining proper draught. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Shaft furnaces are used for A. Smelting. B. Calcining. C. Roasting. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Hearth furnaces are not used for A. Roasting. B. Melting. C. Reheating. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Turn-down ratio of a burner. A should be as low as possible, i.e. 1:1. B should be 1:1 for a batch type furnace. C is the ratio of maximum to minimum permissible heat input rates. D is normally much more for a continuous furnace as compared to a batch furnace. The correct answer is the ratio of maximum to minimum permissible heat input rates. Which of the following is not a continuous waste heat recovery equipment from the flue gases going out of furnace? A. Economizer. B. Regenerator. C. Ceramic recuperator. D. Waste heat boiler. The correct answer is regenerator.